It's now 1 year since I last weighed the Budgies, when the green one weighed 38 grams and the blue one was, I think, 34 grams, which you can see from the video when I weighed them. Accurate. 38 grams. So this green Budgie weighs 38 grams.
Oh, 0 grams?
What about the blue one? Where are you going? Just sit on it 1 second. There. 34 grams.
And walk off to the entrance.
So how much do the Budgies weigh now, 1 year on? The green one looks, to me, it looks bigger, whilst the blue one doesn't look like it's changed much. So should we weigh the blue one first? Should be still around 34 grams. See if I can get it. Come on. Not going to be scared, are you? Yeah, it's going to be a bit of practice to get it on the red scales. Red means danger. Anyway, it's going to succeed. Oh, green one's come out now. Okay, so I'm going to have to get them and put them on the scale, and then you can see how much they weigh. Come on, you back as well. Just sit on it for a second. Good Budgie. 40. Yeah, let's put weight on. The blue Budgie's got bigger. I saw 43. So 42, 43. Green one, that's going to be a lot bigger. Come on. Let's see if I can get you to do it. Right, just sit on it. Come on, come on. Just sit on it first. Come on. You back as well. Just sit on it for a second. Good Budgie. 40. Yeah, let's put weight on. The blue Budgie's got bigger. I saw 43. So 42, 43. Green one, that's going to be a lot bigger. Come on. Let's see if I can get you to do it. Right, just sit on it. Come on, come on. Just sit on it first. Let's see if I can. Come on, sit on it. Just for a second. 45, 47. 47. Let's put weight on. It was 38 before. I think the blue one is 42 now. And that was 34. 47. You fat Budgie. And a lot of commentators were saying that these Budgies were fat a year ago. Well, they weren't. Right, come on. Back into the cage. Come on. There we go. So they put weight on in 1 year. Quite a lot. The blue one's gone from 34 to 42. The green one's gone from 38 to 47. They got bigger. They don't look fatter, but they got bigger. To me, they look similar size, but obviously they'll increase by a quarter. Bigger parrots now. You're bigger parrots than when I bought you over a year ago. Blue one's still smaller than the green one, but they both got bigger. 42 to 34 for you. And you, big fatty, 38 to 47. Nearly 10 grams increase. I know a lot of the commentators are going to say your budgies are fat, they're overweight. And they can fly around, so they're not fat. Don't stop them from flying. Isn't it? You still fly around the room, look. Well, to get you to sit on the scales. So we'll see how they change another year from now, next November. Let's see if they put more weight on. See, you're eating too much seed. Birds are bigger now.